Back with David Prentice from Brookside Energy this morning. David, morning.
G'day, Andrew. Nice to see you again.
Yes, speaking this morning or this afternoon for you from Tulsa in Oklahoma. We're into July,
Yep.
David. A busy first half of the year for you. Give us a bit of a recap on the 6 months.
Yeah, look, it's been very busy operationally. Obviously, we launched into our four-well FMDP project, which is a very ambitious project for us. And so drilling four big horizontal wells out there in our Swish area of interest. And, just really delighted to be able to have that all those wells down and the casing run and cemented, significantly de-risking that project. And just to give you some stats, we drilled more than 60,000 feet of well bore and cased and cemented all of that. So that's almost 20 kilometres of drilling, and we did all of that and got it all cased and cemented, safely, on time and on budget. So it's a marvellous milestone for us and significant de-risking of the project.
And this week you've announced some news on the Wolfpack well achieving payout. Clearly a big milestone.
Yeah, absolutely. So, another well out there in Swish paying out, this one in 13 months, and pretty remarkable given, the pricing environment of the drilling and completion costs at that time. We were probably 25-30% up on our standard costs, just with oil field inflation. So for the well to pay out so quickly is just another very strong endorsement of the quality of the rock out there. 21 odd million in revenue, 13 odd million in net income. So a stunning performance, and as I say, it's another strong endorsement of the quality of the assets.
And operationally, David, what's the plan for the remainder of 24?
So flat out now, finishing out the construction of the surface production facilities. So the team's out there building out the tank batteries and the separators and the like, connecting into the gas lines, getting everything ready for the completion crew to arrive, which is kind of imminent. And then obviously we'll complete those wells and flow them back. So very exciting couple of months for us, because we will bring our production, we'll double our production, at least double our production from current levels towards the end of the third quarter into the fourth quarter, sort of 2,500 barrels of oil equivalent per day. So, remarkable, growth, in production, and that really propels us into 2025. Where we move into full field development. So look, it's very exciting and going very well for us.
Why is the company an attractive investment proposition?
Oh, look, there's a lot, so many reasons. I mean, fundamentally, it comes down to the rock. The quality of the reservoir, the performance of the wells. The team, our ability to be able to drill these wells on time and on budget and bring them into production, demonstrated over the first four wells we drilled, and then now, halfway through the next four. So, doubling our well count and doing that, efficiently. So that's all of the sort of positive operational side of things. We're cheap on any metric, as many of our peers are. We're cheap across the board there in terms of metrics. And we've got a pristine balance sheet. We've got a lot of cash, and we're throwing off a lot of cash. So, great time to be a shareholder and great time to be an investor, given where we're at with the FMDP and what that means for the business.
Yeah, ticking all the boxes. David, good to see you. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Andrew. Great to talk to you again.